following is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service for the following county: Monroe, Pennsylvania. What? West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Where? Carbon and Monroe counties. When? Until 10 p.m. this evening. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. The following